with going through changing employee tax table and also have a quick look on most common tax table used in Wagemaster. Okay, let's jump right in. I already opened my Wagemaster, so let's have a click on one of the employee. So just to remind you, this is a test file, so I do have some of test employees already created in this file. So for example, let's assume one of these employees currently on one job, but they also are starting another job, so this job will become their second job, so they won't claiming tax-free threshold going forward. They will like to claim the tax-free threshold from the other job. So in that scenario, we just need to have a quick look on what's their current tax table. So to do that, you go into payments, tax. So currently they're with 02 with general exemption 2324. So 2023-24 means that's the latest tax table. So we are in the financial year 23-24, and the most common one is the 02 with general exemption. If you do have any employee would like to claim tax-free threshold from the job, table falls into 02 with general exemption. And the other case, so in this case, this employee is was in a first job, now he's starting another job, so this job will become a second job, so he won't be able to claim the tax-free threshold. So I just need to attach him to the 01 no general exemption 2324. So that will be his most up-to-date tax table. So from the tax purposes, it won't claim any tax-free threshold from the job, this job. So it's most likely, if I break it a bit down, from the other job he will depend on his gross, his tax will be a bit less, but on this job he will paying higher tax. And also if I add a bit of an extra, if you have an employee who got a standard tax table and also they wanna on a student loan or any other hex tax table or different additional tax table, that's where you can use this secondary tax field. But most likely if it's not necessary, try to use only one tax table, because we do have all the additional tax table in here, like for example like this one 02 with general exemption and SDSL, so it's both linked together, so you don't need to use 02 with general exemption as a tax table and also SDSL for the secondary tax. And if you would like to make any adjustment, so if you have an employee request you would like to pay any additional tax from each pay, that's where you add an adjustment in here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You don't need to worry about additional requirements for TFN declaration because it's part of the STP2, and you don't need to even send the tax declaration form to the ATO anymore. It will be electronically send it through the STP reporting. Okay, so that's all you have to do in the Wagemaster. And to save it, use the close door icon. We actually have a pretty good help article created on this. I'll give you like a summary, what are the most common used tax table and their definition. Let me quickly open the help article. So if you go through this one, it will give you all the breakdown. So what's the tax scale, 3 or 4 working holiday maker, 01 with general exemption, 02 with general exemption, and all other SDSL tax tables, and what are the differences between each tax table. So have a read through this one. So the heading is common tax table using Wagemaster. If you use the search with the common tax table using Wagemaster, it's pretty straightforward you can find it to this help article. And yeah, thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our helps and articles, also book one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us this video a like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.